Hello guys, are you curious to know a little bit more about Boxycharm and maybe seeing what is in the April box? Then this is the video for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you the products, but I'm also going to be creating this beautiful look I have today with the products that are here. So if you're interested in seeing a little bit of this, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm super excited because not only I got my Boxycharm, and I don't know, this month I am extra excited, but especially more excited after I tried the products, which I just did right now, and I recorded it for you. So if you haven't watched any one of my videos before, my name is Mervice. Hello, welcome to my channel. I created this look today using the products that I have here. Of course, I had to include a little bit of other products, especially my foundation and things like that today, and you will realize as we go through the products. But this month I received my April Boxycharm, and I have all the products here. I'm going to be showing you all the products. I'm going to be doing a demo or a little mini tutorial. I might include it at the end just so I can kind of walk you through what I did. Even though the look looks a little bit, I don't know, maybe worked up, it's actually really easy. So I might do it at the end. I'll leave you a little note over here for you to know if I am going to include the tutorial at the end, or if I'm just going to show you what I did while I talk about the products. So in case you don't know about Boxycharm, it is a subscription box where you receive 4 to 5 different full-size products every single month, and you pay $22 a month. This is what the box looks like inside. These are the products that we got this month. Like I said, I just opened the box. I just used the products because I record these videos in English and in Spanish, in case you don't know. So if you actually prefer watching stuff in Spanish, I'm gonna leave you the little link over here to check out the Spanish version of this video. So this is why I kind of first try the products on, so I can do a little tutorial and include it on both English and Spanish videos. So anyways, every month they also have a theme. This month the theme is called Peace, Love, and Boxy, and this is what the card looks like. In the back of the card we have details on the products that we received, and we also have the price of the products, which I will add up at the end so we can know how much value we have in this box over here. The box actually looks a little bit extra small for me. I saw a lot of sneak peeks, but at the same time I kind of just wasn't paying attention. I wasn't so excited because the last couple of Boxycharms were okay. Boxylux, I really liked it, mostly because there were 1 or 2 products that I really wanted there, but everything else was just kind of okay. So this box really surprised me, because after doing this look, I'm like, it is actually a nice box. So I am going to walk you through the products. The first one I'm going to show you right away is one that I actually did not try at all, because I know it doesn't work for me. I received a similar product in another subscription box that I unboxed maybe like 2 months ago. It's called Yes. In case you don't know about it and you want to know a little bit, I'm going to leave you a little card over here to check out that video. It's another subscription box, very different than Boxycharm, that I've been unboxing now for a couple of months. So this product, it is a, what's it called? It is a eye pencil by the brand Holographic, and let me get a little closer. So this is what the pencil looks like. It retails for $14, and the only reason why I didn't try it is because of the color. It's like one of those kind of brownish colors that has a little bit of shimmer, which on my eyes actually doesn't show up at all because of my skin tone. I think maybe with someone who has lighter skin tone would be amazing, and that is something that has been bothering me a little bit more lately about Boxycharm, is that they make you take a test, or not make you, but you can take a test so they can customize the products for you, but they really haven't been doing a good job with that. So I'm a little bit disappointed in that sense, and this really shows it, because I mean, seriously, this would not show up on me, and that's why I didn't even try to put it on. And then the next products I'm going to talk about, let's go in order, are going to be this 3 brushes by the brand Luxie Beauty, which is actually a brand of brushes that I have tried thanks to Boxycharm. I have a lot of brushes. I'm actually looking at them. I had a lot of brushes that are from this brand, which I love. They're amazing. They're super soft. They're really good. This particular set, let's see the name. It's called the Summer daze 3-piece brush set. It retails for $28. This particular one I wasn't so excited about just because of the size of the brushes. I just thought that, like, I have one that is very similar to this one that I don't use very much. This one is supposed to be a large shader brush, which usually I don't use, but today I try to create the look only using these brushes on my eyes. I think at the end I pulled up one or two. But it actually surprised me a lot because especially this one, the shader brush, it is a bigger brush, but it is very soft, and I don't know if it was a combination with the eyeshadows that I used, but it just worked extremely well. It was super easy to blend out the eyeshadows, to just go in here. It was just amazing, so I can definitely see myself using it again. And then we have a smaller one that is called the small shader brush, which I have a couple of these brushes that I don't really use often, but they're good for detail work. And today I used it to use to put on this like glitter eyeshadow, which is kind of like a cream, just because I guess that makes it easier to get off the glitter and just apply it into the eyes. And it did that amazingly. It works very well. And then this one, it says that it's a contour brush. I think it actually could work very well for contour, but I didn't use it for that. I actually applied my highlight with it today, which I think it worked really good. Here on my nose, it was a little bit too big for my nose, but still I made it work. And so bottom line, I think it's a really nice brush set. And then the next product that I'll be showing you, it is a product that I actually wasn't, surprisingly, I wasn't excited at all. I love eyeshadow palettes. If you guys know me or have been following me for a while, you know I love them. But this month I wasn't excited because it is this eyeshadow palette, which it looks very beautiful, but it's by the brand Pure, which the last couple of products or palettes that I got from Pure Cosmetics, I didn't like them much. So I just thought that this one would be the same kind of thing, especially the eyeshadow palette, the last one that I received from Boxycharm. It was really low quality, I would say, but this one really surprised me. So this is what it looks like. It's called the Festival eyeshadow palette, or the Festival palette. It retails for $36. Pure is a brand that is not super cheap, but like I said before, it wasn't very good. And this is what the palette looks like inside. As you see, it has a very big mirror, and we have these beautiful colors, which I saw it and I thought it was beautiful, but at the same time, like I said, I thought it wouldn't work well. I thought it would be bad quality like the previous one, but it was amazing. And you guys are going to see it as I apply the shadows on my eyes. It was extremely easy to blend everything and to create this look. I'm surprised of how easy it was, to be honest. So I think this eyeshadow palette performs very well. I think it's good. I didn't use a lot of the colors here, so I'll probably be doing another look later on. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you might want to follow me there, because I post a little bit of like more shorter videos, you know, a minute video doing looks and stuff like that. So you might want to follow me there. I'm probably gonna feature it there eventually again using the other colors, but it looks really nice. I'm going to swatch a couple of the colors that I couldn't show you maybe. Let's just swatch these 3 shimmer colors. The mattes were super good and easy to blend, and these are a couple of the shimmer colors, which actually look really nice as well. Let me show you. This pink was amazing. I am in love with this pink. The mattes, I feel like, are even better for some reason than the shimmers, or maybe not, I don't know. The shimmers look a little bit like lazy, but now that I kind of just blend it out a little bit, it looks even better. So I'm super excited for this eyeshadow palette. I thought it would be one of those that I'll just pass along to someone, but I can tell that I'm definitely going to be using it. And then the last product I'll be showing you today, it is this lip gloss by the brand Appeal, and it's a holographic. So the lip gloss retails for $21, which is crazy, because to me, out of all the products I received this month, this is the only product that I think is not that good. I don't think it's really holographic. It is a nice lip gloss. I have it on. That's all I put on today. I think it shows a little bit, but very little. It is comfortable. It is light. It is not sticky at all. So I think that is good. But at the same time, I think that the holographic part, not at all. So if you care a lot about that, you probably will be disappointed. For me, I'll probably still use it because I think it gives you a nice sheen to the lips. So that is nice. And I almost forgot the last product that we have this month, which is by Artist Couture, which I was super excited about because I have another highlight, and this is another highlight The first highlight I tried by their brand, I got it on a Boxycharm. It is amazing. I love it. It's super, super blinding. So this one I was super excited as well. But I did realize that using it today, it does have like a purple shift to it, which is nice. I like, but at the same time, it's something that I won't use on a daily basis or as often just because of that. But it looks amazing. It comes out really, really nice. Really, I mean, you guys can see it over here. I love it. It retails for $27, and I don't know. That's all the products that I had today, guys. I kind of wanted to go through them real quick just so I could show you the tutorial at the end. This video is now so short, but I did add up the products, and we have $126 worth of product this month on our Boxycharm, which is amazing. Every month we always receive over $100 worth of products on the regular Boxycharm. They also have a Boxylux, which I mentioned at the beginning. That one is a bigger box, which if you want to get it, you need to be a regular Boxycharm subscriber. If you want to know more about that one, I'll leave you the little link over here of the last one I opened. That one actually comes like every 3 months, so it's not monthly. But if you want to check it out, you're free to do so. But anyways, that was it for the video, guys. I am super excited for these products. Let me know which one you like the most, and I might just leave you now with the tutorial if I didn't already show you. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Alright, my friends, I am starting right away with the Pure Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the Luxie Summer Daze 3-piece brush set, and I'm starting first with the lightest color in the palette that is matte. It's called Epic, and it is kind of like a orangey or peachy color, and then I'm going in right away with bright pink in a color Wild Child, and I am applying it on my crease, and I am also going in a little bit closer to my eyebrow area and a little bit even kind of like on my lid, just to make sure that everything is blended out. At this point, I actually wasn't sure exactly what I was doing or what I wanted to do, but I just had the idea while I was applying the next color, which is this beautiful purple, which is called Gypsy. And this one, it's a little bit shimmery. It's not matte like the pink color or even the peachy color I applied first, but it's still blended nicely. It wasn't as smooth as the pink to blend, but it was nice. So while I was doing this, I decided that I wanted to apply it all over my lid, and at this time the brush has, I feel like, a combination of both colors together, which I loved. And then for the part that I was the most excited, it is my first time ever playing with like glitter, pressed glitter, and that's what I'm using right now on my eyes. It's like a pink pressed glitter that has some kind of, I think it's like gold flecks, and it is called Fireworks. Definitely looks like fireworks on my eyes. I am really, really loving this. Honestly, I had no idea I was gonna love it this much, as I told you during the video. And I decided to go in with the gold pressed glitter in the color 24K Magic, and I applied it in my inner corners just to make it bright and, you know, just shine in there. And then I'm going in with my MAC palette. This one, it's a limited edition, so I don't need to talk about it much. I just wanted to bronze a little bit and just bring a little bit of color into my skin, into my face. So I bronzed with the bronzer and the palette, and then I decided to go in a little bit with the blush that is kind of like a peachy blush, so I applied it very, very lightly. The bronzer, it looks almost like a blush to me, honestly, on my skin tone, so I make sure I don't apply too much either, but it still just plays nicely with the eyes. It's not doing too much, at least I feel like it. So in this case, you could use whatever blush and bronzer you want, or if you want to skip it, you can. So I went in back with the same brush that I was using from Luxie Beauty, and with that pink color in my under my lash line, and then I decided to make sure the outer corners are bright and just like, you know, just packed that pink in there. That's why I went back. And of course, can't miss the mascara. And you guys know I love my Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. You guys know how that goes on the eyes, so no need to explain much. And then next, I'm using my Artist Couture highlighter. It is the Diamond Glow powder in the color Purple Dream, which, as you see, has a very beautiful purple flecks in it. It just looks really, really nice. I was in love with that. And last but not least, the April Holographic Lip Gloss in the color Trendsetter, which as you see, it just has a nice little sheen of on the lips. And this is the final look. I do love it. You guys let me know if you like it. I can't believe it came out this good, to be honest. So anyways, thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.